Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to archive emails in Gmail. Why would you want to know how to archive emails in Gmail? Well, maybe it is your first time using Gmail and not sure how to archive emails in Gmail. So today I am going to show you how to archive emails in Gmail. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Archiving emails in Gmail is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Gmail. Now you are seeing multiple emails. If you are willing to archive few emails and show most important emails at the top, long press on any email you want to archive. Now you are seeing archive button at the top. Click on it. The email has been archived. You can archive multiple emails by doing like that as well. There you go. If you wanted to know how to archive emails in Gmail, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.